Okay, so the guy we left off with last time was Rutherford, and he discovered that there was a nucleus in these atoms of gold he was shooting his lasers at. And his model, which is kind of the one that we are going to use in this class a little bit, but the main thing that's different for him than the next guy we're going to learn about, who is Bohr, Bohr, Niels Bohr, in case you're at all curious about what his full name was. He basically found out that electrons hang out in energy levels, or they hang out around the nucleus, okay? Because Rutherford already figured out that, the nucleus has stuff in it, right? There's like some stuff in there. I don't know what it is. He thinks it's protons. He's trying to figure it out. And now Bohr figures out that the electrons actually have some kind of path that orbits around the nucleus. And the hang out word, let's write the word orbit. Okay, they go around the nucleus. Okay, and the very, very last model, which is not the one that we'll study a lot, but actually the electrons tend not to hang out in or orbit just like in straight lines. Like in the book, this is kind of like the onion. Here's an onion with different like layers. Yeah, this is the next atomic model. But finally, we all decided that they all end up in like this weird cloud. So, and I'm just going to draw the modern interpretation of the atom, and I'm just going to go ahead and just tell you where is what. And then we're going to go ahead and read the next section. But the modern atom, this is kind of like a Bohr model, has energy levels like this, right? And then it has a little nucleus. Let me just change my pen color. Has a little nucleus like right in the middle, just like that, okay? And inside the nucleus in the modern model are protons and neutrons, okay? Neutrons you read about next. And on the outside, like all here, um, these are little electrons that float around the nucleus, okay? So let's just let you guys know that these are electrons, okay? So the question would be, where do you find protons in an atom? You find them in the nucleus. Where do you find neutrons? You find them in the nucleus. Where do you find electrons? Orbiting in clouds is a new model around the nucleus, okay? So they circle around in clouds. And actually, right here, if you take a look, there are 6 electrons. Intriguing. I'm going to tell you something that doesn't really matter right now, but soon we're going to go over this, that if there are 6 electrons, we're going to have, whoa, 6 protons over here, okay? And actually, strangely enough, I could actually tell you which atom we're looking at. I go to my little chart over here, or my really cool book, and we figure out that it's actually a carbon atom. And how do we know that? Well, that's up to you, because we're going to go over this soon. But if you can figure out why this atom is carbon, uh, you'll be really cool. So yeah, good luck, guys. So I will have these up later on tonight, and then they'll be all up. We sort of did like a brief little walkthrough of this. We'll do a more detailed investigation of each of the different models in class. So I look forward to seeing you guys all here. Bye.